Why is it important to give the solar end customer a proposal and a design before you start speaking to them? Hi, my name is Amit Husu. I'm a stay-home dad and a stay-home husband these days. I love to cook and I have 12 years of experience in solar and I'm a digital marketer. I help companies build up a digital marketing strategy for converting more sales rather than following up leads. I'm also founder and CEO of Solar Compare. Now, in this video, I'm going to tell you a couple of points why it is important to give the end customer a proposal and a design and have a systematic approach before you kind of try to convert them. Now, what are the main reasons that a customer or somebody wants to go solar? The first reason is because government is giving subsidy. Okay. Second reason is because my neighbor has put it on, पड़ोसी ने लगाया है. फिर उसके बाद आता है भैया सोलर से शायद बिजली बचती है, शायद यहाँ पे शायद इंपॉर्टेंट है. तीसरा, बच्चों ने कहा था. सो इसमें से none of these reasons are actually valid reasons for going solar. So पहला पॉइंट ये होता है कि whenever you approach a customer, what happens is they have a question in their head and they have an answer to that question in their head. If you do not give them that, if you do not recognize that question and give the same answer that is in their head, then in that case solar खराब है, it is all wrong, आप बेवकूफ बना रहे हैं. So that is why there has to be an approach towards going solar. Now I'm going to describe that here. Now first thing that happens is that you get a solar lead, right? तो वो solar lead मिलते ही पहला instinct होता है give him a call. फोन उठाओ और नंबर घुमाओ और फटाफट उसको सारा बताओ कि टेल हिम एवरीथिंग अबाउट सोलर, वट एवर यू नो अबाउट सोलर, जस्ट ओवरलोड एंड अंडरलोड एंड गिव दैट पर्सन ऑल द नॉलेज एंड दैट पर्सन डज नॉट अंडरस्टैंड एनीथिंग. दैट इज द worst thing that can happen to a solar seller. That person does not understand anything and suddenly that person is not interested. First thing to do whenever you get a lead is to make sure that they are interested, and if they are not, generate that interest. उस interest को बढ़ाना पड़ता है. So उसको कैसे बढ़ाएं? पहला step, never give him a call or her a call as soon as you get the lead. First thing, send an email, send an SMS, send an WhatsApp to welcome them, appreciate them that they have taken the right step towards going solar and things like that. Now, after that, on day 2, send them a blog about benefits of going solar. Now, day 3, send them another blog, 5 things or 6 things that you are supposed to know before going solar. Now, on day 3 or day 4, give them a verification call. Sir, you had requested a quotation for solar. We just wanted to confirm your coordinates and a couple of things. आपका बिजली का बिल कितना आता है? What is your annual consumption? How many people live in the house? And things like that. The basic instinct here is from the customer that they will ask you question, quotation de do. Because you're not the only one they are talking to. There are multiple people that they are talking to. They will ask for quotation. Do not commit the mistake of giving a quotation at this point, because then your quotation is just another bunch of numbers. Now on day 4, what you do is you use the Solar Lab software, create a 3D design and create a proposal and send that to the customer on his WhatsApp, on his email, and also give him a reminder on SMS. On day 4 evening or day 5 morning, what you do is you give them a call. Don't talk to them much, just enquire and have a conversation about how are you and did you receive our WhatsApp, email or message, and did you check the proposal that we had sent. Solar Labs actually gives you the benefit of creating a proposal, a 3D design, a financial analysis, a shadow analysis and energy analysis as well. So a customer will have about 5 things to talk about and see in that. So you can ask them, sir, आपने shadow analysis देखा क्या? Sir, आपने 3D design देखा क्या? Most probably they have not seen the 3D design because this is a link embedded in the report. So send them the 3D design again. And after this, you start having a conversation with the client. Why? Because now the client is ready. He knows about the shadow analysis. He knows about why he should go solar. He knows about the energy saving that he will have, and he understands solar better. Initially, he would have asked you one question, कितने का है? Now he'll ask you question, मेरे फायदे क्या होंगे? So this is how you actually convert a client into a permanent client. Do not go ahead and talk to your client on day one and unload on them all the knowledge that you have. It is the worst mistake that you can make. Send them emails, send them SMSs, send them WhatsApp. It's a 5-day process or a 4-day process that you can take. Don't be patient. Don't be in a hurry. Be patient. And you will be able to convert 20 to 30% more leads as compared to in a normal process by giving a call. I'm going to put in a couple of email templates in this description below, so you can use those. There will be blogs, there will be emails and everything, and that is how you should start. Give them the links, give them the email, set up an email automation. If you don't know how to set up email automation, just give me a call or send me a message from the links below, and I will give you another blog about that. But anyway, I hope this was useful. Once again, my name is Amit, and I am a stay-home dad and a stay-home husband these days. I am a solar entrepreneur and a digital marketer. I help companies develop digital marketing strategy so that they can spend more time in closing deals rather than following up on leads. Also, founder and CEO of Solar Compare. I hope you can resonate with what I said. If you do, please drop in a comment below. Take care. Bye-bye.